we have to the question is from digital logic, and we have to find out the binary representation of the value 75 by 16. Okay, so this is the value given the decimal number, and we have to find out the binary representation. Okay, so 75 by 16 will be how much? 4.6875 10. Okay, so what will be the binary representation of 4? You already know that is 100. So based on this only we can find out that option is A, right? This one is correct. But how you can find out this 0.865 is 1011? So I will verify you this, that it is 1011 only. See, the integer part, it contains two parts, integer and the fractional part. So integer part is 4, that's why it is 100. And the fraction part, what is the fraction? 0.865, right? 865. So we have the process like we will divide it into integer, fraction and coefficient. Okay, so integer, fraction and coefficient. So 0.6875 we will multiply by 2. The integer will have the value will be 1.375. okay, so when we will multiply 0.865 into 2, it will come 1.375. so what is the integer part? 1 here, and fraction part is 0.375. so coefficient A1 will be 1. Similarly, 0.375 into 2, this will come as 7.75. okay, so it will be 0.75. so integer part is 0 and 0.75 is the fraction part, so A2 will be 0. Similarly, 0.75 into 2 will be what? 1.5. so 1 and plus this 0.5, so A3 will be 1, and 0.5 into 2, so it will be 1 plus 0. okay, so now once it has fraction part becomes 0, we will stop this iteration and we will go from bottom to top. okay, so 0.865 will be how much? In the binary it will be 1 1 sorry, that will be for integer part. I'm so sorry, it will go from bottom to top. okay, so it will be 1011, so it will be this. So therefore 4.6875 10 will be how much? 100.1011. okay, this will be the answer. So answer is, hence answer is A. okay, thank you.